Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be recording doing an opening of the little packages in Crossy Road. I'm in it right now. I just watched the video and yeah. I did a video before and I literally wasted all my freaking money, so I'm gonna show you all of those. First, I'm going to duplicate this. What is this? Oh my god! This looks so weird. Oh, I forgot what this is. Terminator, that's right. I love Terminator. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. So I'm gonna be going down to 500, like 1,500, because I'm sorry, I'll show you the ones I just got throughout my other video. It's freaking annoying. Yep, KOOKABURRA. I'm gonna show you all the ones I just got because I got him. So I got him. Hello, Josh. Him. I'm doing a video. Shrubs, get away. Yeah, I know. That one. The ones that are bouncing. So him. That one there, pro gamer. Actually didn't win it. Festive. Him. Arctic hair. Nah, I got the unexpected fruit, and I love this little character here. It's so cute. And baby hip. Oh, got this baby chicken. None there. I bought this piggy bank. But yeah, my brother's here with his friends. I don't think they're sleeping over though. Oh, I got him. I got him and the strawberry who's secret. I haven't got any of them. I got rabbits. I got a brown rabbit. I got the snail, and I've always wanted the snail. I want to play him out actually. I'll try him. Oh, he leaves a green trail of slime. That's pretty slick. That's actually really cool. Most characters don't have just a special ability. Well, he moves so fast. Woo! Even on the logs he does it. That's pretty slick. Crossy, I'll give you a shout out because that's pretty slick. Even though nobody's watching me. I only have 8 subscribers. 8 on this channel. And 6 on the other channels. Sure, yeah. She shy show fum. Chong chong. Wong. Wing hong 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 tong. Tong tong fong wong hong hong. Hong yang 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 yang. Hing hong hing yang ying. Ching chong gong ang wa. Hong ching 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 wa. Hong hong. See these red ones? I bought the piggy bank. Red ones, if you don't know, they're 5. So the piggy bank costs like $4, but you get $1,000 with it too. Hipster whale! Oh yes, I got him. Oh, there's my high score. No way. It's only 133. On the other iPad, it's like 300 and something. No! He goes so majestic in the water though. So they're all the characters I've gotten. Come on. I will get, I think, 2 more. And then we'll just play the actual game. Let me see how much minutes there are still. Okay. Oh my god! No way! Blue MACAW. Rio. Brazil! That's pretty slick. If you haven't seen the movie, what is it? freaking... Ah! No, vampire. He's the worst character you can get. Wait, I'll do one more bit since I like your subscribers. I hate it how it's 100. You should only play like 50, because that's better. Gravedigger, I hate him. He's the worst. He was in the first 5 I got. Great, he's like boring. I hate the horror ones. They're the worst. Unless it's the Dark Lord. I like him. He reminds me of the Grim Reaper. I mean, Grim Reaper. I didn't say Reaper. Yeah. How's this? Like last year, somebody like took my Omega Ruby, Pokemon Omega Ruby, from my 3DS, and I always thought it was for my cousin Ethan, but it was actually my friend Jordan. He stole it the other year. So I feel sorry for my cousin Ethan. He's like 5. And I feel sorry for him because he we hounded him. Oh, I think this is Korean or Chinese. Wait, let's see. Oh no. Hey. The hell? No, this is Brazilian. Oh, their birds are different. They're blue macaws. Can somebody please text me the hard ones or tweet me? So, if somebody likes me, please subscribe. Wonder what I go. No! Rage quit! Okay, now I'm going to actually be testing out some of the plays. So my favorite, I am going to be doing Unexpected Shrew. Because I've always wanted to play him. I was going to buy him, but now I've done this video and now I got him. He's cute. I knew I'd always... Oh my god, he's tiny! He's tiny. No! What was that egg? Oh, what the? What the? What the hell? He takes like 2 seconds to actually eat that egg. So you kind of need to go from the side. See, look, he just stays there. Oh my god! Okay, that's the shrew. I tested out the swift snail. He was pretty slick, but there's another one I've always wanted to test out. This was the Arctic hare. He's so cute. He's so cute. I want to get all the special players, the special ones for the Arctic map. I need to get the Yeti. I've got it on my other iPad, that's how I know. I was like, who is this character? The first ever time I played with the Arctic. Oh no, it's not the Arctic. I want to get the Okay. I want the special players. No, how do you get them? Mommy! Oh, maybe I'll get them soon. Maybe I'll get them never. But please like and subscribe to this channel. Nah, I'm gonna do one more animal. I was about to say, what the hell are you going on about? But the blue macaw, I didn't know I had him. Oh my god, he's so cute. He's so cute. And he looks so weird. but now he is going to die. Oh! He's doing parkour, but now he dies. Yeah, so please leave a like on this video. Subscribe to my channel. I only have 8. So I was just listening to my mum. Yeah, I thought she was saying my name, but yeah. I'm coming. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Also subscribe to Jake's channel.